Hi.
Ah.
Did you like the hot chocolate? I think we can safely answer that yes. Do you need a napkin? Is there anything left in there? Oh, we're trying to get the marshmallows. I'll give you a spoon for that. Here. Here. There you go. More?
Mama. Mama.
You want the spoon? Okay.
There.
There you go. Good thing your shirt's brown. Hi.
Dada.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. You have chocolatey fingers probably. Where's Dada? You like chocolate milk? You like hot chocolate? Hot chocolate? Is that delicious? You're so cute. Look at you. Do you need help or you got it? Do you want Mama to help you? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. You're very cute.